Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and USDJPY on the smaller time frames. But before we dive to the smaller time frames, let's look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, I'll be starting with gold, XAUUSD. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the price of gold on the weekly time frame has given us more like a double top. Okay, we have a top around there. We have another top around here. So it's only a question of time before we expect price to start to slide. Okay, if price going to slide, price might likely slide to the first demand area, which is around the 1811 level. Okay, but that would surely take a long time, or a lot of time. Might take weeks, might take months. All right, but for now, the immediate possible target, we're looking at 1908, and then we are looking at 1900. Based on this tweezer top that we have around here, and finally we might see price test the 1884 level before we have a break of structure. But for now, this is the top, this is another top, this is another top. We can call this a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then we have a break of structure for us to have like a lower low. All right, but that's that on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see a top. We have a top around here on the left side. We also have another top around here at the middle of the screen. Okay, and we can see that the bears are stepping in. Look at this, the break of this particular structure around here. You can see the break of the structure. Okay, let me put a line around there. This is structural level. You can see the break. This candlestick broke this structure around here. So we expect price to continue to print. This is a high, this is a low, lower high, lower low. And we'll have something like a lower high, then a lower low. Okay, so we are looking at price getting back to 1908 before 1900 and possibly 1984 level. That is for the daily time frame. But if price is gonna drop, we have this demand area around here. This is a demand area where we expect price to find some buyers. Price might likely find buyers anywhere around here, okay, on the daily time frame. But if price is gonna go up, we have this supply area here where price might meet some sellers at the top around here, and then we have another supply zone around here. This particular order block on the daily time frame, price might also meet with some sellers for price to drop. All right, that's that for the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Okay, we can see that currently price is trying to find buyers at this level. We have a test of this level around here. Talking about the 1909, 1910 level around here. Then we have the break of that level around here, but the buyers came in. And then we can see that sellers tried to break that level. All right. Buyers pushed it up and sellers also came back to this same level. At some point, we expect the level to give way. All right. But if the buyers are lucky, we might see some level of demand around, and this particular point where we have a double top, we might possibly have a double bottom, beg your pardon. If this level does not give way, might see a double bottom for price to go up a bit, then possibly a news might come up and then this level will finally give way. But that's a likely scenario. Let's see how it pans out. All right, so that's that for the 4-hour time frame. The bears are obviously in control, as we can see on the screen. the bears are in charge. All right. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. What do we have on the 1 hour time frame? What do we have on the 1 hour time frame? On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that price dropped. Look at this strong drop. Okay, look at the strong drop where the sellers came in and started only a candlestick, bullish candlestick. Okay, with the pin bar, only this candlestick showed up as price, dropped. Okay, and the sellers are quickly able to overcome this particular candle, and the level, this particular level gave way for stronger, longer, with higher momentum candles, bearish candles, and price was able to find support at this level. Although the buyers came up, but the sellers pushed it back to their level. So for now, on the 1 hour time frame, we have for gold, price is currently ranging on the 1 hour time frame. So we have the range top to be around here, and this level is our range bottom. So we might be waiting for the price to break out of the range. So for range traders, will normally place their sell limit around here, and they will place their buy limit around here, so that in as much as price is still ranging, and make some profit. All right, until the price breakout of the range. All right, so if you want to trade a breakout, you might possibly want to place your buy stop around here. Okay, and then you might want to place your sell stop somewhere around here. If you want to trade breakout, of course, your stop loss, you must ensure that you put stop loss when you are trading breakout, in case we have like liquidity sweep or liquidity grab. Okay, where price will grab the orders around here and then push it back below, much below, and then finally start to go up. Okay, that's for bullish liquidity sweep or grab. Okay, as price pushes this order up, the stop losses of this sell stop of the sellers, these particular sellers, they will have their stop losses around here to be taken out. All right, and as it drops, the stop losses of the buyers, the buy stops around here, their stop loss will be somewhere around there to be taken out, and finally when the price go up. So that usually comes up once in a while, like a manipulative move of price. Okay, but it can go this way, and we might see price going the other way. What do I mean by the other way? We might see price, from where it is currently, you might see it drop below to this point to grab or sweep all the stop losses around here, and then we might possibly see it go back up to sweep all the stop losses around here, and before price finally starts to drop. Okay, so that's called liquidity grab, grabbing all liquidity. Liquidity is where the stop losses are or where the orders are. Okay, so grabs both ways, liquidity in both ways, before finally going in a particular in the current direction. You can see that this is the current direction, which is bearish. So it will appear as if it goes going down. More sellers will jump in, then it starts to go up. As it gets to this point, more buyers will jump in, then it finally starts to go down. Okay, I've taken out a lot of money, a lot of liquidity, a lot of stop losses as it whipsaws, as it ranges, before finally going the current direction. So you might want to consider liquidity before you place your entry, or before you make your trading decision. So that's that for the 1 hour time frame. You can see price is ranging on the 1 hour time frame. Let's quickly look at what we have on the 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame, price is also ranging. We have a range in place. 30 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, price is also ranging, but we are looking at a double bottom on the 15 minutes time frame. The neckline is around here. Break off the neckline, my target this particular level 1913 before price starts to drop. All right, Lastly, on the 5 minutes time frame, the bulls are pushing price up. Okay, we have a trend line. We have this particular trend line, ascending trend line, as the bulls try to push price up. Okay, for now, it's advisable to scalp. If you are buying, make it a scalp trade. But if you are selling, try and position your trade in such a way that you can join the current trend. The current trend is bearish on the 4-hour time frame. All right, that's that for goals. Let's quickly look at what is happening on gbpusd chart. What's happening on gbpusd chart? On the weekly time frame, I see the bearish, this bearish trend. I see the bearish trend. See it continuing. Okay, it appears as if we are having a reversal. Price got to this level and start to form. You can see this tweezer top at this point on the weekly time frame, and price is gradually dropping. Obviously, we have a breakout of the ascending trend line, this particular ascending trend line. We have the breakout around here. Price broke out. We have like a retest, and the price starts to drop. Okay, as price drops, we are looking at 1.23290 as the first target. Then we have 1.22282 as the second likely target, where price might likely drop to. Okay, but for now, on the weekly time frame, gbpusd is bearish. Okay, let's go to the daily. Let's quickly go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame shows that we have a bearish trend in place. Okay, price is trending downwards. Okay, we have a high around there. High point around this point is our high. Okay, this is a low. All right. For gbpusd daily time frame, we have a lower high. We have this lower low, and then we have a lower high. We have a lower low. Okay, so we are seeing a lower high, then we might see a lower low. So the bears are in control. All right, for the daily time frame, so you look for selling opportunities. On the 4-hour time frame, price is ranging. All right, our range top is around here. This is our range top, and this is the range bottom for gbpusd. This is the range bottom. Trying to push this. Okay, let me get another one. This is the range bottom for gbpusd. So range traders will place buy stops around here. Range traders, we have that buy stop somewhere around here, so that we'll go with the flow. And traders, range traders, will have the sell stop somewhere where we have the range high, so that by the time price gets to this point and starts to drop, might make some profits. Okay, and range breakout traders will start to look for buy stops somewhere around here, so that if they have the breakout, start to buy, and sell stop somewhere around here, so that we have a breakout, start to sell. All right, that's that for the 4-hour time frame for gbpusd. Let's quickly take a look at the 1-hour time frame for gbpusd. 1-hour time frame shows that price is trending downwards. Okay, price is trending downwards, so you might want to join the trend. Okay, trending downwards, high, low, lower high, lower low. Okay, you want to join the trend. 30 minutes time frame, trending downwards as well. 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? Trending downwards. 5 minutes, the bulls are trying to push price up. So we have like an ascending trend line somewhere around here. So you might want to wait for a breakdown. You might want to wait for price to break down, break below this ascending trend line for you to jump into the bearish trend. All right, that's that for gbpusd. Let's quickly take a look at euro-USD on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see euro-USD price. We have a 3-drive pattern. okay, where we have three tops and then forming a bearish reversal pattern, and then price starts to drop. That's the first top. There's a second top, and this is the third top. Okay, so we expect price to drop. So if price is going to drop, the first target, the likely closest target for sell trade is 1.06973, and then later we might see 1.04986. all right, as the bears comes into the market on the weekly time frame. These targets might be soon, might clear soon, or might take some time, some weeks. All right, so on the daily time frame, what do we have? It's clearly bearish. Price is clearly bearish. Okay, as price starts to form a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Might see lower high, then we break up this structure, this particular structure, for us to have a lower low. So try and position your trade in such a way where you maximize the profit. On the 4-hour time frame, price is obviously bearish. Okay, look at the trend, bearish trend around here. Okay, for now, price is ranging, not like a bear flag. Looking at something like a bear flag. Okay, price is ranging. Okay, a break below the flag might see the exact distance as our target. Okay, the exact distance of this flag as our likely target. Let's see, where does that lead us to? Just a minute. Okay, so targets are 1.04986. okay, so that's that for the 4-hour time frame. Bear flag in place. Same with the 1-hour time frame. Bear flag in place. On the 30 minutes time frame, what we have still ranging. We can see that as price moves up on the 30 minutes time frame, it's unable to break this high, so we might see price dropping. Same with the 15 minutes time frame, ranging. 5 minutes time frame, more like ranging, but the peers are trying to push price downward. Let's quickly look at USDJPY. USDJPY has been bullish until we saw a retracement. You can see a retracement around here, and price gradually covering up that drop, this particular drop on the weekly time frame. Price covering it up, and we can see price going to the top. So the likely target, the closest target is 147.831. A break above that, we see 151.683. More like the high, the all-time high. On the daily time frame, what do we have? It's clearly bullish. The bulls are not backing down as USD continues to grow stronger. So look at this week around here. Look at another week, indicating that the bulls are always countering every move that the bears make. So you might want to join the bulls and continue to push up. And if USDJPY continues to go up, it is negatively correlated to gold. So you expect gold to slide further or to drop further. All right, so the 4-hour time frame, the bulls are look at this current 4-hour candle. You can see a pin bar forming, showing that the bulls are completely reversing the move by the bears. Okay, so you might want to see this gap that we have here. You might see it's covered today. So the closest TP or take profit is 147.831, where we have the top of the gap. On the 1-hour time frame, bullish, high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Might see a higher high as this structure, this particular structure might be broken. The structure might get broken soon, pretty soon. On the 30 minutes time frame, bullish. 15 minutes time frame, what we have on the 15 minutes time frame is ranging, and the bulls are already giving us a double bottom around here. The neckline of the double bottom is around here. A break above this neckline, see price getting to the top. The 5-minute time frame ranging. So that's that for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're here to join our subscribers. All our subscribers, we say big thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you get to see more of our videos. We have some videos where you can learn how to trade. Okay, if you like the video, this particular video, why don't you give it a like? Click the like button so that the algorithm can push the video to other other subscribers so that they can subscribe to the channel. All right, there's a bell button below the video. Smash the bell button so that when we upload our videos, you'll be notified. You can drop comments below the video, ask questions. You can also share the video to your friends and loved ones. We have our website, www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit the website to learn more on how to trade. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.